Bitcoin daily time frame, and it is making lower low, lower high, and we are in bear market. But next year 2023 Bitcoin will go up. And if you are having financial difficulty because of this bear market buying right at the top, then if you still have financial power that you can handle this bear market, then next year your problem can end. And right now the important question is, where will be bottom? So based on yield wave theory, possible bottom are these two level, 12,184 and 10,274. And if price goes below that level, the 10,000 level, then numbers are negative. Below that level only zero possible or negative. So these two level are your last support level if current price support level breaks, and it has fundamental reason for that possibility. And if in coming weeks, in next 1 month, if this level hit and we see some rejection like hammer candlestick on daily time frame, then we can expect that bottom is coming, because fundamental of bitcoin and gold are same, but bitcoin responds faster than gold for those fundamentals. So as a beginner investor and trader, if you trade crypto which ultimately depends on bitcoin, then focus on these two level. These are your last support level, and if bitcoin future is really bright, then these support level will hold. And if this level breaks too, then bitcoin is completely dead, $0 price will come. So these two level are your last hope. So basically ultimate support for bitcoin based on yield wave theory is 10,274. And if we focus on current price action, this current support, then this was your support, it breakout, then makes sideways correction, now it retesting that level again as a resistance. So next bullish signal will come when this level breaks again, and this level 15,632 is your current support level. And if we go to intraday time frame like H4, then this was your current bottom. It made ending diagonal chart pattern. Since it breaks to upside instead of downside, we will call it leading diagonal chart pattern, and we can call it wave A, then correction wave V, and corrective wave C. And this was the time when Fed decreased their rate hike size from 75 to 50, and till March rate hike will completely over. Then next stage rate pause, and right now FOMC member are saying they will hold interest rate at those level for 11 months. So Bitcoin basically following same fundamental like gold, and it responding for bullish fundamental news. So current trend slower rate hike size has been ended. Next trend rate pause has been started. Then final trend will be rate cut. So if this level holds, then that will be short term bullish signal. And if this level breaks and goes over 18,000 level, then that will be first big bullish signal. And if we see wave counting of this AVC trend, then top to bottom 61% retracement level is done, and this level 16,584 is your current key support level. And if this level breaks, then that can be negative sign, a red alert for you, because first it will break this level, then it will break 15,632, then ultimately it will retest 10,000 level, which is based on daily time frame. So below this level, red alert, do not buy, wait for 10,000 level, or wait for breakout of 18,000. So basically, buying signal is when Bitcoin is goes back above 18,000, or after breaking this level, then you can buy from 10,000 level. Because if you buy on this level, then this is your buying entry, but this is your SL 5,479. Because last bullish trend of Bitcoin was based on Fed QE monetary policy, but QE may be not possible this time because of stagflation, but on rate cut it will go up. So on H4, focus on this support level, bullish on break above 18,000 level, and if this level break, don't touch it, let it go. Then wait for retest of 10,000 and 12,000 level on daily time frame. And if we see these thing like this red candle when it collapsed while gold was going up, and this current bearish trend, this was the time when FTX was collapsing, and this was the time when Binance is collapsing and their withdrawal are increasing. That means people are selling their Bitcoin, and it has crossed several billion-dollar, and they will not stop. So if Binance declare bankruptcy this week or in upcoming weeks, then that will be bearish for Bitcoin, and that bearish trend will only stop after they declare bankruptcy. So that is the reason there is a possibility that this level can break. And if Bitcoin survive this Fed QT monetary policy, and once bullish trend start, then it will go higher than gold and silver, because this is limited in supply compared to gold, and this time it will easily hit 100k level.